Now that you have determined your objectives for your wind energy project, it's time to assess your energy needs, starting with your electricity bill. We recommend looking at a full year's worth of electric bills. Because electricity usage varies with the seasons, this helps you to understand your real energy needs and figure out exactly how much energy is needed to match your usage. While going through these, your goal should be to determine your average monthly kilowatt-hour consumption throughout the year, the total for the year, and your annual cost per kilowatt-hour. If your project does not have a specific energy consumption goal, for example, replacing or offsetting a certain amount of electricity usage, you must first define how much power you want to generate. You can determine this number by considering the available space, your budget, or your general goals for energy independence, rather than a precise offset requirement. Next, you'll need to have an idea of where you want your turbines to go. On your roof or on the ground, in the parking lot, or behind your factory. It's time to map out your property with measured distances. Look at the diameters of the models you're interested in and draw them in small circles on the map. You can get the most out of your space by benefiting from our proprietary Bouquet Effect. After you place your order, our staff will send you more detailed information on how to position your turbines effectively for more zoom in less room. If you are interested in a rooftop project, you'll need a map with the dimensions of your rooftop. You also need to know the number of pounds per square foot or kilograms per square meter your roof can hold. You might need to contact an architect or civil engineer to obtain these details. We recommend using our EcoRoof Energy Hub models, which are specifically designed to effectively distribute weight on rooftops. Finally, you need to obtain information on your wind speed and direction. For these wind projects, looking at the wind speed and direction in isolation is not sufficient. The combination of what you know about your property as well as the average wind speed and direction is invaluable. No single resource is perfect, so we recommend looking at several. Examples include Weather Underground, MeteoBlue, and Global Wind Atlas. If you decide to measure your wind information, you should choose a weather station that enables you to record measurements in ideally 10 but up to 60-second intervals, determine wind direction, and download a time-stamped spreadsheet of these values. The average wind speed helps set expectations for the project's performance. If it's exceptionally high or low, we may need to adjust or replace the turbine's electronics to match. If wind speeds vary widely, fluctuating significantly above and below the average, don't be discouraged. You might have more energy than you'd expect. Gusts generate power even faster than steady winds. Side note, if your site is on the coast or in another area prone to corrosion, be sure to mention it when ordering. Our team can apply specialized coatings to protect your turbines from environmental damage. Now, back to wind measurements. Wind direction helps you determine how to arrange the turbines in a row to take advantage of the bouquet effect, formerly known as the cluster effect. Watch our Bouquet Effect video to learn more. Taking all of this into consideration, you can now combine the following pieces of information to determine the appropriate turbine size and quantity to best suit your project's needs. Your monthly kilowatt-hour consumption, the average wind speed in your area, the space you have available, and our table of the output of different turbine sizes according to the number clustered in a bouquet. This leads us to our next video on researching our various turbine models.